So welcome. I'm going to show you how to fill out the form so you can fill it out properly. So I'm going to go ahead and at the beginning of the form is ask you for an email. So I'm going to put in an email on here and ask you for your actual school email. So you would put in the @apps.psd.org, and then simply you're going to put first you're going to put your last name, and then your first name last, just like I did here. And then you're going to select your period. I'm going to select period 1 on here. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and move to the next page, which is a signature page. So on here, it asks you that you understand there's no cell phones in class. Both parents and students understand that that's a policy. And they understand the requirements that you read in the first page. And that's a yes. Okay. And then you're going to write the student's name or your name. And then a current phone number. There's a certain way you have to actually use or type in the phone number. So I'm going to type in the school's phone number. It's 909-397-4451. That's how you have to type it in. If you don't type it in correctly, it's going to, let's say if I forget a dash, it's going to tell me that I made an error. The example is 3 numbers dash 3 numbers dash 4 numbers. So you actually have to type it in correctly before it accepts it. And then the parent's name, I'm just going to type in a fictional parent, just Jose Garcia. And then on here, you don't do anything yet. This is the actual physical signature. So it says use the green button at the top left of the page, which is this button right here. You're going to click on that button and you're going to go ahead and sign 2 signatures, one for you and one for your parent. So your parent's going to sign on here as well. So you can type in the name right here. So you can type in your name. And then you can, you don't have to put the email, just the name. And then you sign it. And then I go ahead and I go to the next one, which is Jose Garcia. And then I know it's not very good writing, but I'm using my mouse. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save both signatures. You notice on the bottom it says signatures 2. There's 2 signatures, both the parent and the student. Click save, and it's going to confirm number of signatures 2. Okay, and then it's going to ask you to copy what you just did and then return back to the form. Then on this page right here, you're going to paste the link from the previous page. That's all you're going to do is submit. That's all you have to do. So when I see it, okay, when I get to see it on my end, on my side. I get to see the responses, and it should look something like this. When I see a response at the very end, I can see the entire form. Hopefully it came up correctly. So it will show me the form that you filled out and both signatures. Okay, has a student name and then the parent name right here and what time it was signed. So I can see both signatures right on here for myself. So make sure you do it correctly and hope you turn it in by tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys in class.